Hey, welcome back to interior wiring. We are going to find out what that's all about. Specifically, that I see that if I trace this wire, the brown wire, goes all the way back up and it connects back into the flashers up in there. So, seeing that this flasher says flasher and it's connected to fuse block, as like everything else, I'm trying to figure out what this nonsense all is. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah. Let's get to it and figure out what this is all about. The wire wrap is kind of meh. If you followed all the other parts of the videos, this is not my car. This is my parents' car. I'm in charge of getting it ready to sell, and I need to represent it in the most accurate way possible. I'm just going through tying up all loose ends because this car has not been out of the garage in 40 years. Needs a little TLC and a full restoration. Alright, so let's take a look what we got here. So what we have is something that is not connected. And by being not connected means it's not connected, it's cut. I don't know if the factory did things like this because I'm seeing little brakes and big brakes. And the question, like a lot of the questions I have on this car, is why? I'm not a big fan of stuff like this, which I'll show you. I'm not a fan of wires rubbing against metal and then causing breaks like that, which leads to things that don't work right. Is this the way it's supposed to be run? I would assume it'd be run over through these parts of the metal up in here, where it's smooth, versus over this, which is sharp. I'm not a wiring expert. I'm not a Corvette expert either. But what I will do is run it over where I think it should go, through here, down through this part where it's smooth and I can feel it's rolled. Here, I'll connect it with a proper connector. And again, whoever buys this car, please redo the entire wiring or go through the wiring, please. Yeah, so this is a tongue sole flasher. Okay, so I'm not sure if this was part of the aftermarket hazard lights that were taken out of the car, but like everything else, I'm finding wiring breaks everywhere that's not consistent with trying to put a battery on this car and seeing if I can get things to work, because the electrical gremlins will come out. Alright, so let's get to it, make it right. So the first thing I'm going to do is undo this. I'm going to undo that. Looks like I'm going to have to repair that's a pretty deep cut. I'm gonna have to actually repair that before I run this wiring, because that's pretty nasty. Just go in handheld. See a glimpse of metal, so it is cut. Just fix it real quick. And again, I'm not trying to restore the car. just trying to get it ready for the next buyer. I don't have some of the fanciest tools on the market, but what I have works. So so this wire is going to connect to here. Some people use lighters. I have access to a heat gun. I know someone's been here. That's why I see things run differently and there's things cut. But I know there is a proper way to do things. And there's the okay way to do things. Got tons of debris falling on me. Put the kick panel back on. It'll go in with all this stuff. I'll probably just tie it off on this just so it doesn't hit the sharp edges. Tie it off over here so it doesn't hit the sharp edges. I mean, that fuse block has definitely seen better days. Again, if you're gonna buy this car, please replace the wiring. Or do your best to go through it. Yeah, so, and then I did find, I have two sources of wires I still got to track down on the diagram. One is this black wire coming from the loom. What does it connect to? And then I have a blue wire here. Don't know what it connects to, comes out of the loom, which seems to be heading all the way over. It's heading all the way over to the heater box. There is this blue wire here. Gosh, yeah, blue wires, black wires. There's this blue wire here that traces up to the temperature sensor, and it's just a bunch of loose wire here, but I did source it all the way over. I did source it all the way over through the firewall, and just get off my back. Oh my goodness. We did come out through the firewall here. There's a blue wire coming down to the water sensor. So I believe these check out, and that's okay. We will get into all of this next, because there is a spaghetti amount of, I don't have my light, it's probably better you don't see it because it's a horror show. Tape, taps, and more coming up next.